What it do, YouTube? You already know what time it is. It's your boy Deshaun, back with another video. Today we got a different kind of video, man. We driving in my brother's Dodge Charger. What it do, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy Deshaun, back with another video. Giving y'all that little POV, man. POV in the Dodge Charger 2014 RT Plus. Is the rear wheel drive joint. It is modified, custom wrap on here, all that good stuff. This car is still in the process of getting more modification work, man, for performance and everything. But I was like, man, this car kind of cool, man. I miss having a rear wheel drive car. I did have a Camaro before I brought the Jeep to the channel. But yeah, man, I kind of miss having a little rear wheel drive. So today we're gonna have a little fun, take a little tour. It is my off day. It is a Monday. It's a Monday. It probably won't be a Monday when y'all get the video, but it is a Monday. And we gonna give y'all this little POV. Look like I'm going through a little school zone right now. Got traffic, school just starting up. So now we're gonna see a bunch of kids going everywhere, going wild. You know, we're gonna respect the kids. I got kids. Other people got kids. We're gonna make sure they get home safe. Not act a fool right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get on this highway a little bit, give it a little light pull, something different. I have to hit the bank real quick, and then why you don't just pull in the driveway? You just sit in the damn road. But yeah, we're gonna hit the bank, and then I gotta go get a haircut, handle a few things, and actually go see my son too. Gonna go to the shop, check out the guys. It's been a couple days since I've been over there, and I keep forgetting that this highway ramp is closed. So here we are, doing a U-turn. Man, it's about to be the end of the summer, or it is the end of the summer, and it's still hot outside, man. It what, 95 degrees? It's crazy. I need to be on the beach somewhere. I actually went to the beach this year and I ain't really kick it out there, but I actually sit out, get in the water. I really don't get into the water in Lake Michigan. The water nasty. I don't get down like that for real. But yeah, man, got a Dodge Charger 2014 RT Plus modified. Got the mid mufflers deleted. I want to say this is actually straight piped. This is straight pipe. This is my brother's car. The half and half, this Welch car, half and half. Rapnardo gray, satin blue on one side, black zigzag. Custom like Viper hood with the vents. And he also got the see-through like engine bay, where you can see like the engine cover to show the engine or whatever. I'll give y'all a little tour around that once I stop. Trying to get out of all this traffic, man, so y'all bear with me out here. I'm gonna start doing some POVs of different vehicles, showing y'all like different pulls and stuff like that, trying to get into more content. But anyway, if y'all on this channel right now, y'all watching this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, lock in with me, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. You know what I'm saying? Show love, hit me up, man. I got hella mods coming to the Jeep. I'm gonna drop another video showing y'all some parts I just got in the mail. Performance mods coming to the Jeep ASAP. I'm not in a rush necessarily to get them on, but I'm buying them as we go. And we're gonna have some fun, man. Next summer is gonna be a big summer for me. Also plan on getting another vehicle and starting another build. Y'all stick around for that. And yeah, we lit, bro. We definitely lit outside. Y'all just so well be patient with me while I'm trying to make it to this highway. For real. But look, y'all ain't seen my last video. Check out my last video. I just put 1,000 stars in a Jeep. Also got some different content within that video, so it's not just completely about putting the stars in there. Y'all can go check out my boy Hellcat Durango that's in the video. That rap is crazy. Y'all ain't see that. Also got some prank videos coming soon as well. Even though this is a car channel, it'll have some relevancy to the car. So yeah, man. Also trying to narrow down. I got a different couple ideas for a rap. I haven't completely became set in stone on which rap I'm going with, but yeah. Anyway, man, we're gonna cut this video real quick till we get to the highway. The video been long as hell already. Oh, whoa, hold on. Hello Kitty. Hello and Kitty Impala with the decal. All black. I actually like it. It's dope. Would I do that to my car? Not. I'm a guy, so obviously not Hello Kitty, but that's hard. And it's clean. It's clean as hell. It's a dude driving that car, so that's definitely ain't his. That's definitely his girls or his baby mamas. Definitely his girls or his baby mamas. Look like we getting some progress, guys. Look like we getting some progress around here. Here we go. To the highway we go, ladies and gents. This road is always backed up with hella traffic. It's so much construction and traffic in Illinois. It's ridiculous. If you're trying to make it to work right now, going Corvette back to back to back, trying to make it to work out here, you got to leave extra early now. Super early now, just to make it. I'm finna hit that little I-80 bridge that they said is so bad in condition and stuff like this. It's crazy because this bridge has been deemed unsafe for a while, for a couple years now, and they still ain't even started working on it. I mean, it's gonna be a huge project, but yeah, we still drive over this. It's one of the most major highways in the United States that come directly through my hometown, so try to get a little bit of space, then we'll do our thing. Yeah, I know somebody over there. I'm just gonna come over. But yeah, they got a nice little roar to it. Nice little roar to it. I like the little pickup. Jerk you around in here. Jerk you around in here for sure. I'm about to put some more gas in this joint. Got that little instant little torque, man. Instant little torque. I know, like, this the RT Plus, and it's got some modifications and tunes to it. So, but them cats, man, them so different too. But we getting there, man. We gonna go at our own pace, slowly but for surely. It ain't all about who get there first. It's all about you crossing that finish line, getting it to where you want to be. Got to move at your own speed, man. Everybody lives different. Finances is set up different. This is all for motivational purposes. So don't feel rushed like you gotta become unstable or throw away your livelihood for these cars and stuff like that, man. They beautiful, they fun, but at the end of the day, you gotta make sure you can survive and you put food on that table for sure. Damn, this is so much different to me, just like being on the ground, from me being all in my truck. I get in so much trouble, man. Obviously my Jeep is heavier, but it still got a little oomph to it. But that rear wheel still feels so different. It feels so different. Be having this joint drifting around all type of corners and stuff. Look at this mess. This car right here gets a lot of attention. A lot of attention, especially with it being half and half. Be good. A lot of good. Some people, I ain't even gonna say it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Man, what other videos y'all would like to see on the channel? Y'all let me know in the comments. Tell me what y'all like, what y'all dislike. It's the same content, on different content. So I do something a little different. Let me know. Give me y'all feedback. Try to provide the best content as I can. Still going through this journey. Excuse me. loud as hell outside of it, man. Y'all just don't understand. The cab make it don't sound as loud, but this car is loud as hell. Them Cadillacs nice, man. You get one of them CTVs, crazy. Nice little supercharged joints. Nice little supercharged joints. I ain't gonna say I would buy one, but I would definitely have fun driving one. This motherfucker going all over the road, on the other side of the road. I don't know if they drunk or what. Boy, your ass tweaking. Is you cool? Bro, bugging out. But definitely give y'all some more highway footage. But anyway, man, I'm gonna come back with this video once I get on the highway. Give y'all a little more pulls. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, guys, finally made it to the highway. Get a couple pulls in. About at what, like 60 right now. Loud as hell. Woo! Hit his little stride. It hit that stride is nothing. Hit that little stride is nothing. It go up for sure. I'm the only one, I think, out of the crew that don't be driving in manual. Like, a lot of the guys be driving in manual, be getting these crazy, like, snatch-offs and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to learn it. My boy, every time he get in my Jeep, he put it in manual, he drive it. Excuse me, he get a little different. He get a whole lot of different takeoff. It's like he control it better, but little highway POV for real. Damn, it just come right, get right over on them, bro. Driving in Chicago, bro, is ruthless. Anywhere in the Chicago area is actually ruthless, bro. Ain't nobody using no signals, everybody flying. You gotta be very aware. A lot of people that ain't from here is scared to actually drive here for real. Give it another pull. Another little run. Test the ride out a little bit, give it a little run. You hear me coming in this damn car. Pause, no diddy. This shit's so loud. Alright, that's enough of that shenanigans. Back to public roads. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said again, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. More content coming to the channel on the way. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Follow me on all the social media platforms. We up. Catch y'all in a minute. Here go the outro.